Woo! Hello, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, everyone. Welcome back to Double Bear Show. And today we'll have an unleashing of kit here. Yep, this is big, and yeah, I already know what is in the box. But yeah, let's open with this rusty hobby knife. But yeah, please do not use any rusty hobby knife or any cutter that is rusty that you will use on your building any kind of kits. Okay, use a sharp cutter or a sharp hobby knife. Okay, but so very careful, be careful also. Okay, so now let's go, let's unleash this one. Let's go. Okay, so I still have a bubble wrap, so let me unwrap the bubble wrap first. Okay. So we unpack here your this is your GF13-006NA Gundam Maxter, and this is from the HG Future Century G Gundam am I right? G Fighter, G Gundam series. Okay, Mobile Suit Gundam Fighter. Am I right? Okay, and this is as you can see, it's a monochromatic kind of box. So this is a premium Bandai. Yeah, and yeah, this is the first. Is this the first time that I buy an HG kit, which the price goes until 2,000 pesos? But yeah, I think it's worth it. This is the most let's say the most lesser price of Maxter, because as I know right now on some scalpers, which is yeah, this is business. You just don't some of it, and me also, I call them some scalpers because they bought so many P Bandai kits and added some value for that, because yeah, that's business. So as I know, Maxter, Gundam Maxter can be has the price only for ranging from 800 to 1,200 pesos in premium Bandai, but after they got it, the price of Maxter goes from 2,000 pesos to 3,000 pesos right now. And the first one that comes out as a P Bandai on the G Gundam is your Gundam Rose, which is one of my hunted kits right now. But yeah, I found the most less price on Shopee on the Gundam Rose, but yeah, maybe I will have that next month. Excited to build, but still it will go to my Backlog Paradise. And same as usual, we'll also have an unboxing, a speed build, a quick look, and also a full review of this kit. But as I know, there's are so many Gunpla YouTubers already that have review this kit. But yeah, I will have my own perspective on Maxter. So let's see what will happen on the building process, and maybe yeah, I will enjoy it or not. And yeah, I'm planning to get all of the Shuffle Alliance because I already have the RG God Gundam. Yep, I have the RG God Gundam, which I think I already have a unleashing video or vlog here on my YouTube channel. And then now I have a Maxter. And the next one will be the target next month will be your Gundam Rose. And I hope I can have Master Gundam. Yeah, Master Asia's Gundam, Master Gundam. I think, I don't know if it has an HG, yeah, but it's the old HG kind. I don't know if it still have. I hope Bandai will reprint that Master Gundam with Fun Psyche. As I know, there's a Fun Psyche on bootlegs. Yep, I will hand that for the RG God Gundam for some posing. Yeah, and also I like the Fun Psyche also. So yeah, that will be the target, having all of the Shuffle Alliance from the G Gundam series. So yeah, I have the Maxter, then I have the RG God Gundam. So the next would be Gundam Rose, and maybe I will hand the HG what is that? I forgot the first form of the God Gundam. What is that? Shining Gundam, rather. Yeah, the Shining Gundam. I want to have that also. And then some of the following kinds of Gundam, which is on the G Gundam series. But yeah, I really want to have the Tequila Gundam, the Netherlands Gundam, which it's like it has a windmill. Okay, so I don't know if you are familiar with that. It's very unique, this G Gundam series. Very unique because every country has its own Gundam, and they battle to be who will rule the world, or who will rule the earth for that, how many years? 3 years? 10 years? Yeah, and then it becomes political, and then some of the magic, yeah, space magic kind of powers, yeah, which is the Evil Gundam. I also had that the Evil Gundam, yeah, or Demon Gundam. Yeah, that's it. Okay, so yeah, I'm talking already about all about the G Gundam right here. But yeah, before we end, Aki Hobby Shop. Yes, it's from Aki Hobby Shop. Yeah, they sell some P Bandai kits. So this is their logo. I have a free sticker right here, and then there is something right here inside. Let me have it. It's like, I don't know what is this, but yeah, let me have this one. Okay, so another sticker, which is, I will put these on, yeah, maybe here. And then, what is this one? There is a box. It's a freebie, and it has this Philippine Airlines box. I don't know what is this one. So yeah, let's open. Wow, it's a freebie, and whoa, what is this one? Oh yeah, it's totally a Philippine Airlines. What? A freebie from Philippine Airlines. And it is a nail cutter. Wow, first time having this kind of freebie. But yeah, I can use this in building the kit. Yeah, let's have it here. What is this one? Okay, it's a filer. Okay, I don't have a long nails right now. Okay, filer with some kind of pusher. Yeah, and then a nail cutter. Oops, a nail cutter. So this is a freebie from Aki Hobby Shop, and I'm very thankful for that. If you're a beginner, beginner kind of Gundam, Gunpla builder, then you will be happy for this one, because on the first part of being a Gunpla builder, I also used nail cutter, scissors, and yeah, some other manicure and pedicure sets or tools, so that I can build my first ever Gunpla. Yeah. So yeah. So thank you so much, Aki Hobby Shop, and also for that nail cutter from Philippine Airlines. Thank you so much. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And if you like these videos and contents, please do consider to like, share, comment, subscribe, and please hit that notification bell to be informed for my next videos. Okay, that's it for now. Thank you so much. Good morning, good noon, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. Jay De La Paz signing off, and Gunpla Show signing off. And yeah, this is not sponsored. I bought this on my own pocket, but still, I'm very thankful for Aki Hobby Shop for this one. That's it. Thank you so much, guys. Bye. Ooh, Aki Hobby Shop. Yep, and Gundam Master. Let's do it next time. Bye. Woo! So, if you reached this part of my video, please comment down there below. Hashtag Jake the Gunpla Reviewer, and get the chance to be shout out on our next video. Okay, that's it. Thank you and peace out.